Today, let's explore Hiroshima, a city that symbolizes peace and resilience. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is a must visit. This park is dedicated to the victims of the atomic bombing on August 6, 1945, and is a powerful symbol of peace. The Atomic Bomb Dome, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a poignant reminder of the devastation caused by nuclear weapons. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum offers a deeply moving experience with exhibits detailing the events of the bombing and its aftermath. Personal artifacts and survivor stories provide a human perspective on this tragic event. Within the park, you'll find the cenotaph for the A-bomb victims, inscribed with the message, "Let all the souls here rest in peace, for we shall not repeat the evil." The Children's Peace Monument, inspired by Sadako Sasaki, is adorned with thousands of colorful paper cranes, symbolizing peace and hope. The Flame of Peace, which will remain lit until all nuclear weapons are abolished, is a beacon of hope and a call for a nuclear-free world. Every year, on August 6th, Hiroshima holds a peace memorial ceremony to honor the victims and advocate for world peace. If you're there on this day, attending the ceremony is a deeply moving experience. Hiroshima is not just a city of remembrance, but a powerful testament to the human spirit's resilience and the enduring quest for peace. Au revoir, and keep exploring.